Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix the unable to send message problem on POF. So now let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. Now another step is clearing the app cache. Simply go to your phone settings and there search for apps. Now navigate to apps and search for POF and then tap on the app, scroll down, tap on storage and again tap on clear cache at the bottom left corner. Another step is make sure that you are using the latest version of POF. Now go to the Play Store and search for POF, and if you find any update, simply update the app. Last but not the least, restart your phone. Restarting your phone can fix any network or app related issues. And that's it. This is how to fix the unable to send message problem on POF. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.